Welcome to Profiting Forex Trading. I'm glad to come your way again and hope you are making peeps from the strategy I've been sharing on this channel for some times now. Today I would like to show you another good strategy that you can use on MT5. As you can see on my screen, I have like 4 indicators on my screen right now, and we are going to take if possible some trades together in the course of sharing this particular information with you. If you see any signal, we will take it. If you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, kindly make sure you do so. It is important that you subscribe and do like my video. Now let's move on to today's strategy. So before I move on, let me show you what I made using this strategy today. And here is my history, and I've made $545 using this particular strategy only this morning. So let's move on to this particular strategy. So how do I use this particular strategy? These are 2 different indicators that I use once they cross. Number 1, the white must cross above the DERIV indicator. Let me change this color to red so that it will be easier for me to actually explain it instead of dark orange. So now when this white color cross the red color above, that is for a buy signal, and the MACD cloud actually turn to blue for a buy, and we turn let me see the color of this the name of this color, and this is like or this is deep pink, but let me change it to red also, and let's have good okay, so that we'll be on the same page. Now this is how I use this particular strategy. As I was explaining before, we have this white indicator, which is DERIV, crossing above DERIV indicator. I'm going to show you the value for a buy, and the white must cross down the red color for a sell. Likewise the same thing, and if you look at it critically, you find out that these 2 indicators actually deliver. But I do not want to use only this indicator alone, and that's why I added the other indicator. And the other indicator I added here is BB/MACD, and as you can see, when this green line turn to red and is below the white color for a sell at this particular point for a sell, this orange color turn from green to orange color, and below the white line for a sell. And at this point we have everything in agreement, and at this point also we have this also in agreement for a buy. So this is how I actually use this particular strategy, and this strategy I use it on MT5. It's for MT5, and I'm currently using it on the 1 minute time frame step index. Now we have one signal forming right now for a sell, but I've not seen this the other indicator, this orange color, clearly down here. Once I see it clearly, I will place order for a sell at this junction. So I'm still waiting. So okay, it's like it's showing right now. Let's wait after this candle close and see what will happen. Now this is how to actually use the particular strategy. As you can see on the screen, everything is in agreement. Once everything is in agreement, you can place your trade and your stop loss will just be few pips above the previous high, few pips above the previous high, so you don't have a lot of pips to actually risk once you follow this particular strategy. So I'm going to set up this strategy from scratch so that you know the setting for every of this. I want to place this trade right now from every, so that you know the setup for every of this indicator, and you can use it also. So let me place my stop loss right now, few pips above here, and let's see how it goes. Mind you, no system is 100% accurate, so let's see how it plays out. Now let me open another chart so that I can show you how this strategy works, number one, and the setup for every indicator. And just press Ctrl G on your keyboard to remove this grid, and you can press Ctrl Y to demarcate each day. Alright, right now, so this strategy, I use it on 1 minute. It's not that you cannot use on higher time frame, you can actually do that, but I want to scalp with few hours I have. I want to stay with the system, so I don't have time to actually sit down for long. So I want to scalp and take small things out of the trade. And right now, let's start with I have 4 indicators here. So let's start with the MACD cloud indicator, and here is it. Let me change this deep ink to red. Okay, I think that's okay. And the input is just the default setting 12.26.9. Apply to close, then just click OK, and here it is right now, and here we have it. So my stop loss was actually too close. I did not allow the market to actually break, and that's what always happen if you have a tight stop loss. Most of the time it will hit your stop loss and still go in the direction you predicted. So let's move on. Now let me add a demo indicator. Let me change this color to white, and the parameters before then, let me change the width to 3 so that may be feasible for us to see clearly, and apply to close. This is applied to close. Then the input is 14, indicator shift is 0, and once you do that, just click OK. Now we have the white color, which is demo. So let's look for demo indicator right now. Here is tema, and the color, let's change this to red, and the input is 14, indicator shift is still 0, and the parameter apply to close, and click OK. Now let's change the width of this particular strategy, of this particular indicator. Okay, and the last indicator on the list that I'm going to use is MACD cloud indicator. Sorry, this is MACD cloud, BB MACD, and here it is. Now I have changed this dim gray to white, and let me change this to this magenta to red, and the second color, the middle, to orange red, and here it is right now. So we have complete setup right now for this particular strategy. We lost that trade because the stop loss was too close. As you can see, the signal actually deliver and is delivering well, but we lost it because our stop loss was very tight. Always allow the market to breathe so that you won't lose what you're supposed to win. And this is how this particular strategy works. So let's not just go over it again one more time. Allow the tema to cross above dema at this particular point, first confirmation, and when you look down, the MACD also was actually in agreement, actually changed before tema and dema indicator cross, and the last indicator actually follow suit also. So at the end, we have a good ride for a buy, and now we are in a sell market. This is a good strategy that you can use to actually make money on a daily basis, just to scalp for a few hours. And if you want to use it on a higher time frame, you can check it out on any other pairs at all that you want, either on 15, 1 hour, or 1 hour, or 1 minute. But I prefer to use it on 1 minute. I actually make this indicator for 1 minute lower time frame trading. So make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel, and you can chat me up on my Telegram group. To get this indicator, make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel and chat me on my Telegram group, and you are going to have it. And the indicator is actually free. You can Google it also if you do not want to contact me. Till I come your way again, do enjoy your day and happy trading. Bye for now.